Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and I'm here to introduce you to a new tote that we made. This is our Essential Tote, so let me tell you about it. First of all, the straps here have a 10-inch drop, so it goes over your shoulder nice and easily, and you can just reach into it. Shoulder straps are 1 inch thick, and they're riveted on. You can see right here the rivet onto the back. And our leather is soft, so there's nothing hard about it. And one other thing, they have a 1 inch, we put this edging on here, and it really adds a lot of body to the edge, so it's not going to stretch out, but it still maintains its softness, and it'll always be like that. So let me show you the inside. First, we fill this up with some leather, just to give you an idea. This tote measures 13 high, 13 wide, and 6.5 inches deep. And this is all the leather we put in there, kind of give you an idea of what it'll hold. Inside, we have a drop pocket, so you can see it in there. And it has, there's 3 pockets. There's this pocket here, which will easily hold your phone, or this pocket, which will hold your phone down in there. And then we have a pocket right on the inside there that holds business cards too. It's just right there, easy to grab, and that's attached to one of the sides of this. So that's our tote. 13 high, 13 wide, 6.5 deep, and 1 inch leather edging to reinforce it. 1 inch wide shoulder straps, or straps with a 10-inch drop on it, and they're riveted on. And that's it, our Essential Tote. Bye.